This is what we are now testing, the heavy duty rig. As you can see, first of all I will describe you about this rig. It is a very heavy duty rig with the latest cabin, which can drill up to 350 meters with the LG 1100-300 compressor on it. This is a diesel tank for hydraulic tank, 600 liter capacity. This is diesel tank for the laser. This is a welding generator. This is a welding generator. Of course, as you can see, the rig platform is a channel platform. Unlike others, we don't give checkered plate platform. And this is a gearbox with mud swivel arrangement. And as you can see that we are testing now with the water drilling. As you can see now, this is a mud pump, rotary pump application. Channel lock. We give 18 mm wire rope with big pulleys. We have not given the cover so that we want to store our ball, that is 150 liters. This is the complete view of our rig. This is the complete view of I know, brothers, I am holding the phone on my hand, so sometimes it shakes. So I apologize for that. But you know, the most important is the actuality and the reality. As you are seeing, our people are now preparing for the drilling. We have tested the mud pump. I have shown you. This is mast for 15 feet rod handling. 15 feet means 5 meters channel mast with big pulleys. Compressor 1100-300 LG compressor, and you see the rig. It is so beautiful rig. We have made it with lot of love. This is completed now. By now, all our viewers are fully aware that the policy of our Prime Rigs Limited to eliminate the water scarcity. You know, when we talk about the water, we don't supply only the machine. We supply so many things. We supply the emotions. Okay, we supply the emotions, because lot of people are dying due to unclean water, due to water scarcity in African region. Lot of children are suffering with cholera, diarrhea and jaundice. Many people have commented that PRL is the only company which are giving the rigs at a very economical price. We have received accreditation from lot of ministries. It is there in our website. You people can see. We are the only company who got the accreditations. We are an accredited supplier of many regions. You see how we built the rig. We built the rig. This is the silencer. We have started. They are testing now the mud pump. They are testing the mud pump. Of course, we will also do the physical drilling as a normal quality procedure of Prime Rigs Limited. Prime Rigs Limited is proud to announce that we begin with the concept of transparency. You know, there was a lockdown in India. Of course, the work was slowed down and many people have suffered. Everybody is fully aware of the situations what we faced in India, but thanks to God we came back. From last 3-4 days we came back to work, and immediately after we came back, yes, this is PDTHR 350 model. This is PDTHR 350 model, brother, with rotary. DTHR rotary with 1100-300 compressor. Yeah. And the model of the truck, if you are asking, I am not clear, you are asking the model of the rig or the model of the truck. The truck is a very latest truck, Ashok Leyland. As you can see live. PRL believes in giving live telecast, ensuring all the quality parameters. We do believe 100% in quality parameters. We do believe in customers' satisfaction. Not only customer satisfaction, it is our concept with heart and dedication and devotion that in times to come we want to eliminate the problem of sanitization and clean water in Africa. We want to eliminate the complete water scarcity in Africa. This is how the rig is. Well, brother, you know, I am on the ground. I am not a professional cameraman, but my intention of making the video is to give the live telecast, which is real. It is 2019, brother. The truck model is 2019. Captain cabin, latest Captain cabin. 189 HP engine. Okay. The most important components of this rig is we have given welding generator, because in African region many people doesn't have the electricity in a very isolated places where they need to do the welding for the casing. Okay. It is a 305 12 inches mast guide. These are the valves, control panel box, as you can see. These are the levers. We are giving 180 liters valves. We are giving 180 liters valves. As you can see the hoses, and this is the rotary head gearbox with 400 motor. With mud swivel arrangement. When you comes to compressor, this is the compressor, because we opened the compressor so that our customers can view it. It is 1100-300 LG compressor. Okay. And of course we have given an additional diesel tank with 600 liters. I have been explaining in my previous videos about the truck. This is a heavy duty bogie suspension truck. Okay. So this these are our hydraulic system, hydraulic circuit. This is the air lubricator tank of 15 liters. Okay, this is the complete look of the truck. As you can see, hydraulic oil cooler is 90 GPM oil cooler for cooling the hydraulic oil. Okay, 4 jacks, 4 leveling jacks. Okay, this is the truck. So you know, we have so many stages of checking at PRL. We check truck, we check mud pump, we check compressor, we check hydraulics, then eventually we do physical drilling. We conduct physical drilling for each and every rig we dispatch. For each and every rig we dispatch, we do the physical drilling. This is the C1 heavy duty mud pump for rotary application. And mast raising cylinder is 140, as you can see. It's very heavy, heavy duty water well rig for both applications, DTH and R. So brothers, this is the second part of my live telecast, which shows the important components of the rig, what it carries, what is the model and everything. Definitely there are 2 more parts will come in addition to this, where we will drill up to 50 feet and in both hard rock, in order to see the pressure of the compressor as well as the hydraulics of the rig, and that also we will give live telecast of it. So I hope brother, I hope my viewers enjoyed watching all these things. This is another truck which we have shown. It came, we will start also mounting. Since there was a lockdown time, so the work has definitely slowed down. It was a scenario, you know, beyond our control, and I pray that everyone is safe, staying safe, and I pray to God that God will bless everyone with a good health. Of course, the life has to come back, so we want to come back with full safety, with full precautions, because eventually the life does not stop, it has to come. So my dear viewers, before I conclude this video, I would like to thank for the undaunted support you guys are extending to PRL, without which it was impossible for us to make the quality rigs. You all are there for us. We would like to thank you from our heart. That is the reason we are doing also, we are working from our heart, and to eradicate the complete water and sanitization problems in Africa. We have get lot of accreditation from African countries. It is there in our portal. Many people have recommended prime rigs, the authorities, the relevant authorities, because we are proud to say that we are the company who follows high transparency levels, so that our customers not only understand what is the process of rig. Our concept is not only to sell, our concept is to educate each and every person who are interested to join hands in drilling the water for the brothers living in Africa and who want to support to eradicate the water problem in Africa. So I invite all my brothers to join hands with PRL PRL ready to cooperate with everyone who comes forward to eradicate problem in African countries. Our small children, our women, they all need a clean water. They deserve a clean water. They deserve a good life. Our agriculture sector, they need a water to cultivate their lands. So PRL want to support all of these people who wishes to join hands in order to eradicate the water problem. Water is life. Water is hygiene. Water is the main source of hygiene. Water is the main source of cleanliness. So water is a gift of nature. If we make more boreholes, we will eliminate water problem from the Africa, and we will save our children from so many diseases, brother. For that we need rigs. Rigs which are good quality at a economical and affordable prices. No, brother, it's new. It's 2019. I told you. It's 2019. I told you. Only thing is we are modifying the bumper, the electric bumper. We are putting the headlamps because once we mount the rig, okay, it's 2019 model. I did not say it is a current year. If you listen to me properly, brother, it is 2019. We are now modifying the bumper, the headlamps. I will show you, because it has been converted from right hand to left hand. So all electric parts will have to change, no, brother. So where it is going, you see, we are modifying the bumper, brother. We are modifying the bumper. And we have converted, as you can see, the steering at here. It is LSD drive. It is not right hand. We need to convert it. So we have converted from right hand to left hand, brother. So that's the reason we have removed it. We are fixing the lights after doing the ECM, electronic control system. We are fixing the electronic control system of this thing. Welding generator is 250 amps, which can easily do the welding for the casing at the site, at the drilling site, as you can see. 1020 tires with a bogie suspension. Okay, brother, I hope you enjoyed watching the first part of our testing. This is the length ఎంత ఉంది 450 the length. Yeah, this is the tube adapter. The length of that is 450. We have put our testing tube adapter. The length of that is 450. This is a guide. This is a mast guide for 12 inches, 305 mm. Okay, this is a H blade. This is a RH gearbox. As you can see now, we are testing the mud pump for rotary application. Okay, so the second part of the video definitely follows with the physical drilling. With the physical drilling, we will definitely give the live telecast of more and more. As you can see, because water is spilling on me, I cannot go near. This is the mud pump testing we are conducting. We are doing the mud pump testing. Okay, my dear viewers, I hope you people have enjoyed watching and knowing about the rig, heavy duty rig, PDTHR 350 model. Okay, with a channel mast, with a channel platform, with welding generator, with rotary application mud pump. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching, and we need your suggestions, we need your advices We need your support in order to improve our quality, in order to more efficient in the market. We want to improve ourselves. We want to do a lot of improvements in times to come. We want to innovate new things. So we invite you to give us more support and more comments, more suggestions, more advices in terms of if anybody having a new idea, I invite them. I really request them to come up, because PRL is open for the suggestions and the ideas by our viewers, by our customers and everyone. So thank you all of you for watching our video. We will make another 2 parts of the live with physical drilling. Thank you.